Children, exercise 4.1, number 1. So you have to draw a quadrilateral ABCD and the measurements are given. So children, in this exercise, the measurements of 4 sides are given. 4 sides of quadrilateral are given to you. And one side is of a diagonal. Okay? The measurements of 4 side is given and the measurement of one diagonal is given to you. Children, before we construct the quadrilateral, we will draw a rough sketch of the quadrilateral just to identify which one is the diagonal and which are the sides. Okay, so here I have drawn, you can see quadrilateral ABCD you need to draw, right? So draw a quadrilateral ABCD. Okay, so AB is given 4.5 centimeter. AB 4.5 centimeter. BC 5.5, BC 5.5. Then CD is 4 centimeter. Okay. AD 6 centimeter, right? So all the 4 sides are done. Okay. Now AC is given. That means AC is the diagonal. The diagonal's measurement is 7 centimeter. Right? So this is the rough sketch. So our diagram will be, our quadrilateral that we will construct will be near to this. Okay. So now we completely know that which one is the diagonal and which are the sides. So let us start with the construction. So for construction you will need a scale and a compass. Right everyone? Children, we will first draw the diagonal, that is AC. Okay, so let us draw. AC is given 7 centimeter. Okay, so from this point 0 to 7 centimeter I will be drawing. Okay, so I have drawn. Okay, so let me name it. It's AC. I have first drawn the diagonal. Right. Now what we will do, from point C, this point, we will draw an arc here and the measurement, we will take the measurement 4 centimeter. Okay, in this way. Right. So this is the scale. This is the scale, right? And I will be taking 4 centimeter measurement because I will be drawing CD now. Okay, so I have to little, so very minutely you have to take, yeah, now this is 4 centimeter. So what will I do is, just from this point, from point C, I will draw an arc in this way. Okay, and from C I have drawn an arc and this much measurement is 4 centimeter. Okay, now I will take 6 centimeter measurement and I will draw an arc from here to here and that will be the side AD. Okay, so this is the scale. Again I will take the measurement 6 centimeter. So let me take, okay, so 6 centimeter is a bit big one. Okay, we are done. So now from this point, from point A, I will be drawing an arc in this way. Yes, so this point is the point of intersection between the two arcs. I will name it as D. So CD I will join in this way. Okay, CD I will join and I will write 4 centimeter. AD I will join Okay, from this point to A. Right, I have joined, and I will name this AD. AD is joined, it is 6 centimeter, right? 6 centimeter. Right, done. Now children, we will be drawing, these two sides are done. Now these two sides we will draw, okay? BC and AB. So what will I do? First I will take 5.5 centimeter measurement in the same way. 5.5 children, okay? So let me take, okay, it is 5, little bit I have to, so this is 5.5 centimeter. From this point C, I will draw an arc in this way, okay? 5.5. Then I will take measurement of 4.5 in the same way that I have taken from this point 4.5, okay, done. So from A I will be drawing an arc in this way, okay? So this is the point of intersection and I will name it as B. Now CB I will join, CB I will very nicely join, then AB I will be joining now, okay? So what was BC? 5.5 centimeter and AB was 4.5, okay, centimeter, and the diagonal is 7 centimeter. So children, we are done with the quadrilateral. So we have completed our construction of quadrilateral ABCD. Okay, so in this way you will construct, this is the way when you will construct an quadrilateral when 4 sides are given and 1 diagonal is given, okay? Children, a very important thing I will tell you is that I have drawn with the help of a pencil, right, just to make it prominent in the video, because with pencil it will not be that clear in the video. In that sense I have taken a pen, I have joined the lines with pen, right? Arcs it's done with pencil because compass is used, but the lines I have joined with pen, right? But all of you will be doing the full construction with the help of a pencil. So no one will use pen, use pencil, okay? So number 1 first part is done.